There's screws under there, or tabs, or what?
No, it's tabs.
Oh, really?
And like I said, the problem is getting them to move.
Mm-hmm.
Once you get them to move, they usually pop out, but you make everything so tight now, and the tolerance is so tight, that it seems like it's next to impossible sometimes to get stuff out.
Is that to get that thing going around them?
Well, you have to get this out, and then there's 2 screws behind there, and this comes out, and there's 4 screws that hold that in, and 4 screws that hold that in. So you kind of have to work your way up. I'm going to pry there.
Man, they make these things for easy assembly, but not disassembly.
It is once you get a panel or 2 moving. See?
Finally.
1, look at that, see? 2 clips right
2
there.
2 clips. Well, then those big ones
And
at the
those
bottom.
2 down there on the bottom.
Those little ones, probably those little top ones are a pain in the ass too.
Oh yeah, if I'm in your video, I gotta call my agent first.
What's that? Oh.
What?
Yeah, I'm looking for a phone.
Okay. Okay, what kind of vehicle? Okay. Okay. Probably the best thing you can do is stop down. We can take a look at it. I think we're out of stock on the HD tuner, but I know they are on order. So, but we can take a look at it and see what's going on as far as the stereo is concerned, and go from there. All right. We have to see exactly what's going on. The camera typically takes either 6x9s in the rear or 6.5s and 6.5. Go buy a Kia radio.